Cordial greeting. My name is Alexandra Rodriguez. In this video, I am going to talk about the tourist attraction Montserrat. This place is located 521 meters from Bogota. Montserrat is the most visited sacred place in Bogota. Can be reached in three ways. Number 1, by dirt trail. It's a journey of about an hour. It is a very cute tour where you can appreciate the wonderful view of the city. Also, enjoy the flora that inhabit the hills. This heat will give you the option of having lunch and irritation. Number 2, by funicular. Allow you to admire the beautiful Andean landscapes. The service and the carpet accompanied by the relaxing sound of birds. Number 3, by cable car. Reaching the top of Montserrat by this means is one of the best experiences. Although the journey is only a few minutes, the view that is reached is really beautiful. Attraction in Montserrat. Montserrat is one of the most important attractions of Bogota because hundreds of the people climb of the top for different reasons of religious belief about Catholicism, for promise or petition to the fallen Lord of simple for sport activities. Other tourist attractions are gastronomic. Montserrat has a variety of restaurants at very good price and exquisite flavor. As a plate of chicken of picada and accompanied it with a beer. Course with arequipe and blackberry. Sanctuary. In the back of the temple, in the special dressing room, the beautiful image of the fallen Lord. Craft corridor. It is possible to architect the beautiful handcrafted servant made by families of different ethnic groups of the country. My experience in this place was I visited this beautiful place later years. Together with my husband and my family, we arrived to this place by the trail, as it allowed to enjoy the landscapes on the place. I feel in very cute place furniture to know this place, to be able to observe natural nature with family. What I like most about this place was the had 3 classes that are sold and that are made by people from different tribes, and how beautiful they are and are remembered. Thank you.